How to find and see your Spotlight favorites on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Spotlight favorites easily on Snapchat. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this. Now after you click on your profile picture, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find my Spotlight favorites. Click on it, and right here you will see your favorites easily. It's very easy and fast. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.